I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very interesting question to write equation of line from given condition. So we have two questions here. We call them as question 1 and 2. Question 1 is write vector equation of a line in 2 space or R2 that pass through the point 2, 5 and is parallel to y-axis. The second question is write symmetric equation of a line in 3 space that pass through the point -1, 2, 5 with direction vector parallel to the line 0, 1, 2. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Okay, so we are given a point here 2, 5. So we could write vector equation xy as equal to the point which is 2, 5 plus t times the direction, right? So the direction is parallel to y-axis. Now parallel to y-axis means what? Let's try to understand this part. So that really means that if I have x and y coordinates here, I'm trying to draw a line which is parallel to y-axis. That means it's kind of like this, right? So as you can see, this line is only moving upwards. Do you see that? So along the x, it is 0. And along the y, it is moving 1 unit. So all these points are along y. So t could be multiplied by that, 1. So t belongs to real numbers. So that is how you get your equation, right? Simple. Now let's look into the next one. It says write symmetric equation of a line in 3 space that pass through this point with a direction vector of this. So symmetric equation could be written as x minus x0 over d1 equals to y minus y0 over d2, which is z minus z0 over d3, where what are these? Which d is the direction, right? So we normally say, okay, let me write here, d is d1, d2, d3 is your direction vector, which is given here. Okay, so in our case, these are 0, 1, and 2. So that is our direction vector, right? Now, the idea of having this here is that how will you write 0 in the denominator? So that is what we miss sometimes. Rest is all very simple, right? So how will you write that 0? Well, in such cases, what we also notice is that the value along the x is not changing at all. It remains exactly same. So it will always be -1. So what we do here is we say x is equals to -1, this particular value. Since it does not change, right? Comma. And for the others, we know y minus y1, which is 2, divided by 1. So no need to, let me write down now. And then we have z minus 2 divided by 2, right? So this value. So anyway, so our solution will be x equals to -1, y minus 2 equals to z minus 2 divided by 2. So that is how we are going to write the symmetric equation of the line from the given condition. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you. And